It's so crazy. Hate will literally turn you worse than the person that actually hurt you. It's a matter of shifting your perspective. Do not incubate any fucking hatred towards anybody just because you've had few experiences where your love was rejected. And your love being rejected does not mean you are broken or unlovable. It's the translation of how that experience went that is actually breaking your heart. Your heart has been fine all along. It's ourselves that break our own hearts by using negative translation. The only way to the only way to change this perspective, it's just literally just a shift. Literally just like shifting that perspective from like I'm unlovable or I'm broken to like if you genuinely know you have a good heart deep down, you have a good heart, which I know a lot of you do. It's a matter of just shifting that perspective. That person could not accept your love because of where they were at in their life. Understanding that will literally give you such peace of mind, but also it's a matter of also bringing that love that you've provided back home for yourself, because then I swear to God, you will realize, like, you will quite literally realize that your heart has been fine all along. All along, your heart was fine because it's beating for your fucking survival. It's beating for your survival. Okay? It loves you. It loves you. Love it back. Do not break your own heart by using these ideologies or even these translations. Come to an awareness where, like, whenever you have these negative thoughts, literally transmute it into a positive. Literally change the translation. Bro, I am telling you, like the power of positivity. And I know sometimes, like, positivity, positivity, but like literally just transmuting that like ideology, life changing. Literally shift the perspective and hang on to the perspective that you have, like the positive perspective you have changed, and maintain that. You do not have to go back to that like negative mindset where, I'm broken. I'm sorry. I'm not making fun of you if you are broken. You're not broken as you think you are. It's the thinking that you think you're broken, but you are not. I am going so deep into this, but like literally just shift it. Just ooh, it's like a knot, I guess. But literally just shift that perspective and then just transmute that energy. It's so powerful. Like, especially a negative energy where you're thinking all these negative things about yourself. That shit is so fucking powerful that you can literally change it. It's just a matter of like, it's this and then this. Literally just like boom, boom. And then you just maintain that positivity because you've seen what it's like thinking that negativity so much that when you just shift, you're like, it's so much better here. It's so much better thinking into this positive perspective that I have like carried and maintained. Like, it's so much better because the negative thinking process literally does nothing for you. You've seen it. You've seen it. It hurts you. It hurts you. You're gonna break your own heart. Don't do that, babes, okay? As much as you want to hold on to any kind of resentment or hate that you have towards someone, it does nothing for them. I just want to be the one to tell you, it does nothing for the other individual. You're the one literally just aching your own heart. The quicker you fucking wake up and literally just whoop, literally the shift, I swear, literally it's like, it's quite literally life changing. You're gonna be like, thank God I woke up. Yeah, yeah. Because imagine you wake up like at 70 years old, right? And you that's when you finally wake up instead of like 4 or 5 months later. Bro, wake up. Wake up, shift that perspective. Love. Love is literally a fucking winner, okay? I'm ranting, but literally let go of any fucking resentment or any hate or any anger or any negative emotions you have towards anybody. But the way I feel like we say let it go so many times, but like there is no defined definition, but there is no like steps to on how to let things go. The best way to let things go is when you come to an awareness where when you're thinking about a bad experience, that has so much power. The negativity that comes to the mind, that has so much power to be transmuted. And when you're aware of it, when you're thinking about a bad experience and you're like, Okay, I am aware of this experience, but change the storyline. Change the storyline, and it's like the old story is gone. That is the letting go part. Literally, if you continue to just like mentally practice that, bro, you're gonna realize there's nothing in that negative space. There's no need to carry like old stories. You can literally change how your story went just from a shift of a perspective. It doesn't have to be how it used to be. You don't have to remember it how it used to be. When you think about it from the heart and like from, oh my God, but like when you think about it in a loving way, the whole experience can look completely different. You feel me? Literally let it go by doing that and liberate yourself. Liberate your heart from any negativity. Oh my God, I sound like a fucking preacher, but like liberate yourself from any fucking negativity. It does nothing for you. It does nothing for you. And also, we need to be, bro, we need to be spreading love and kindness, okay? That's why we're all here, okay? Just remember that we're all fucking humans. Everybody has their own issues and shit, but like literally it's so much better to spread love and kindness than aching this heart. Like it's so pointless, you know? We're gonna at some point, you know? So make it worth. Make it worth. Make it fucking worth, okay? Before you reincarnate and repeat the same mistakes and like not even but like before you reincarnate and have to do this whole thing all over again and you have to relearn it. Just this is the time. Be in the present moment and let's make some good changes in the fucking world. I am soaking up this positive energy. It's literally 11:11. No, but like literally whenever you think about how bro the most powerful thing you can do is literally the powerful and bravest thing you can do in this fucking world is literally show fucking love and kindness. I swear to God, compassion, love, and just kindness. Okay, but whenever you come to thinking these negative experiences you've had with another individual, quite literally internally, deep down, send them peace and love. Send them peace and love. As much as you're like, I want to hold on to it, nah, 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 fuck that person. Bro, literally send peace and love internally. Like, it's like, nah, that person does not have any power over me. I vibrate on a high frequency. Literally vibrate at the highest frequency. It's like do not let the hate win inside of you. Do not. Okay, okay. My Aries side is coming out. Okay, I'm just passionate about love. No, but literally spread the fucking love out there right now. Literally let it out of here. Let it out of here. Literally let it go. Let it go. Let that hatred go. It's it's literally like a fucking sickness. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay.